Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Student, I am going to read a dialogue for your better pronunciation and understanding. Listen to it carefully and try to catch the words and sentences and speak them frequently. And write a few words in the comment box. That's a nice suit. I haven't seen it before, have I? No, it's the first time. I have worn it actually. I only got it about 4 days ago. You like it? Do you? Very much. Did you have it specially made or did you buy it off the peg? I had it made. I very rarely buy a suit, so I thought I would have it tailored. And I'm quite pleased with it. I should think so. It's very handsome. It's very handsome. May I ask where you got it? The same place as I got my last one 19 years ago. 19 years? Do you really mean to tell me you haven't had a suit since then? That's right. I don't often wear a suit, you see, so they tend to last a long time. 19 years, it's certainly a long time. And even if you don't wear them much, your old one must have lasted well. Oh, it did. They did a very good job on it. What was the name of the tailor? Philipson. Philipson. It's quite a small shop, right at the end of King Street. I know it. Rather a shabby looking place. I've never been in there. I wouldn't call it shabby, but it isn't very modern, I admit. However, they are very obliging and take a great deal of trouble. So I can see. I think I'll go along there. I need a new suit. Oh, by the way, what sort of prices do they charge? Pretty reasonable, really. This was £80. That's not bad. I think I'll look in there tomorrow. Yes, do mention my name if you like. It won't do any harm, and it might do some good. I've just paid my bills. So listen to this conversation carefully and try to make your mind that you're listening and you're improving your pronunciation and your speaking. Thank you.